Mmm.
Hey everybody, stick with me. Wait till you see what I'm making here at the end. It's kind of like a speedy version of something you're maybe familiar with and that you eat at the holidays. And we have some butter and we have some onions cut up, and I'm going to saute those and get those cooked because everything's really just going to heat in this skillet in the oven. Threw some chunks of Velveeta in here, and we're going to chop them up and get them mostly melted down. It's not really imperative. Look what I have here. It's a mini can. It's not the full-size can of evaporated milk. I like to keep these on hand. And I like to keep cream of chicken soup on hand, too, in the back of the cupboard. Even though I made my own version the other day in a short video, which is really, really good. Anyway, stir these all up and get them going. You might have to add a little milk like I did to loosen it up. No worries there. Even though I have the canned milk, I only want part canned milk. See, it's the hash brown bake. Look at that. Try and use the regular hash browns. Don't use like tater tots or anything else. Buy them when it's not really close to the holiday seasons, because then everybody is gobbling, get it? Gobbling them up for Thanksgiving. And make sure that you tuck all of the little potato parts under. And one other thing, see the little pockets of cheese in there? Ain't nothing wrong with that. But another traditional thing that goes in this, I was deciding should I use it or not. But I thought, yeah, maybe I'll put a little bit more milk in, loosen that up. And then the other traditional thing would be sour cream. So I have some sour cream. How much will I use? Maybe just a little dollop of that coming up. Yeah, here it is. So I like full-fat sour cream, but you can use the light sour cream too. It's pretty good. See, just a little bit. And I'm going to stir that in. And then panko breadcrumbs instead of the buttered cornflakes. Why, yes, this is the shortened version. We can do that. Sometimes I'll do this on my mac and cheese too. It gets nice and crunchy. I like the crunchies on top, but also I think it protects it for underneath and it keeps it nice and moist and yummy. Now, I have the oven set at 350, but if I was in a big hurry, I would crank it up because everything just needs to be hot and bubbly. Like this. You should smell this. It smells delicious. Onions, cheese, potatoes, ain't nothing wrong with that, y'all. I hope you'll make my shortened version. You can omit or add things as you like. Anja.